Hey y'all, Jimmy D hiking on the trail to Damascus. You know, some people find fog scary or mysterious. I find it another one of nature's perfect artwork. It's pretty cool. You can see maybe 100 feet up there. You can see the silhouettes of trees. See nothing back there. See in the distance a little bit of the fence line. But yeah, it is foggy. We had just gotten some rain. Nothing too heavy, but it's warm, so the rain doesn't really, it's not bad. There's the sky. What? Anyway, I'm going to call this video The Trail to Damascus. Only about 17 miles away. Love you all. Oh, April 19th.